This is the Forces in 1D simulation video to kind of get you started. You're going to be clicking on the link that's in the document that was shared with you. You're going to go into the simulation itself. You'll see there's a number of tabs up here. We're going to work with the Force Graphs tab. And the big things that you need to know here are there are other graphs that you can have. So currently the Force one is open. You can open up the acceleration one if you'd like, the velocity one, or the position one. I think we are only using the position and acceleration. The position is just for the first one, so you can go ahead and see where that is. The two that we'll use the most of, though, is the forces one and the acceleration one. The nice thing about the forces one is you can actually enter in your numbers here, so you'll be able to put in a value, like I can type in 100 newtons. That'll give me a little bit of a push on this. You can adjust the position of where we want the object to start, so I'm going to have it start here at 0, and then you can go ahead and click on play, and you'll see that it'll then try to push the object. There is a friction box up here, so you'll be using the friction box, and then we also have down here the different objects that we can push, and then you'll see that there are other friction forces that we'll use. So like we could have the friction force graph. We don't need to graph them, but the values will be there, so you'll be able to see the values as well. Hopefully this gets you started so that you can go ahead and work with this. If you ever need to reset it, you can just go back to clear, and you can then move your position back to where it needs to be, and you can always change your objects and so change what you want there. If you do have questions, just send me a message.